Story time, folks. This one goes back this goes back, I'm going to tell you how far it goes back. I would say 1983. I was a kid. I was 7th grade. Maybe 1982. Maybe 1982, 83. And I used to hang out with this kid in school. We used to go to IS 237, which was right by the projects on Colden Street. We used to have to walk through these lots. Every day you thought you were going to get fucking jumped, robbed, beat up. Who even knew? Just coming from my neighborhood, walking through the lots and going to school. Girls used to get their chains snatched. They used to get robbed. We used to get jumped. It was insane. But those were the great 80s in New York City, okay? Now, I was hanging out with this kid, Chris. Total fucking maniac. Now, Chris was probably a year older than me. He got left back. But Chris was like a man's size in like 7th grade. It was crazy. At 13 years old, he was like the size of a full-grown man. He was probably 14. I was 13, right? So we always got in trouble. Oh, listen to me. I got suspended 3 times in 7th grade. And another time after that was an in-house suspension. So me and Chris are both in trouble, right? And we used to get called before like the dean. The dean was like a 10th degree black belt. He was crazy. Or let's say the assistant principal or the principal. And he would be talking to us and we'd just be like, we were nuts. We didn't care. But this dude was crazy. He used to make you call your parents. And you'd be like, yeah, Dad, how you doing? Yeah, what do you call me for? It's me. Yeah, hold on. I gotta put you on the phone with somebody. And I used to have to hand the phone with my father on the phone to the fucking dean or the assistant principal. But anyway, the dean was a crazy, crazy bastard, right? And Chris goes, yo, man, I'm so fucking tired of this guy, man. I want to kill this motherfucker. So I'm like, yeah, he's a dick. Yeah, no, I want to kill this fucking guy. I'm like, you want to kill the guy? He's like, yeah, fuck him, man. I want to kill this motherfucker. He's fucking ruining my life. I'm like, he goes, yo, you want to kill him? I'm like, nah, I don't want to kill the guy. Nah, fuck that. I'm killing him. I'm like, all right, whatever. If you want to kill the guy, it's up to you, you know? He's like, yo, we're going to the city and we're buying a gun. I'm like, yo, I ain't buying a gun. I said, you could do what the fuck you want, but I'm not buying a gun. He goes, yo, you coming with me? He goes, all right, I'm buying a gun. I go, all right, whatever. Where are we going? He goes, we're going to 42nd Street. Now, years ago, 42nd Street was fucking insane. 42nd Street in the 80s was no place for a fucking 13-year-old kid to be. Especially midday, school hours. So, this fucking maniac steals $50 from his father. Okay, $50 was a lot of money back then, right? He robs $50. He goes, yo, let's go, man. We're going to get a gun. I'm going to kill this motherfucker. I go, all right. So the whole time I'm like, is he really going to kill this? He can't kill this fucking guy. Is he crazy? He's going to kill the fucking dean? So we fucking cut out of school bright and early. Check in, homeroom, and boom, we leave, right? So right there, I'm getting busted. I know it already. Because you just can't cut out of school at 13 and think you're not going to get caught. But we do it. So we are in Queens, so we're not that far. We have to walk downtown Flushing Main Street and we get on the 7 train. 7 train takes you to Times Square, 42nd Street. It's pretty simple. Even 13 years old, you can get it done. So we fucking leave school and jump on the 7 train. And the closer we're getting to the city, the fucking crazier the train's getting. I'm like looking at this kid, Chris. But this kid, Chris, was tough. I was a tough kid, but listen, at 13 years old, I was 5 feet tall, fucking 105 pounds. And I'm not exaggerating. I was a little motherfucker. Chris was probably 5'9", 170 at fucking 13. And built, like, strong kid. Like, all right, I'm good with Chris. Chris is tough. You know, Chris used to fuck kids up. Like, it was... He used to punch a fucking kid would fall on the floor. Couldn't even come out of his fucking mouth. He hit the guy so hard. So, we get on a fucking train. We're going. Next thing you know, 42nd Street, Grand Central Station, 42nd Street. I'm like, fuck. Graffiti every fucking where. Every fucking square inch of it was graffiti. The train. Scratched graffiti windows. Fucking spray paint. It's before they had like the anti-graffiti fucking trains. Fucked up like a motherfucker, right? So we get out and I don't know how many of you guys been to Times Square, but it's a tunnel system that's like, to get out, you got to be a fucking genius at 13. You know, next thing you know, we tunnel, we walk our way out, boom, we end up on 42nd Street. The minute you fucking get onto 42nd Street back in the 80s, you get offered everything under the sun. Switchblade, guns, weed, coke, heroin. Those of you guys who know it, put it down in the comments what I'm talking about. Sex, you fucking name it, it got offered to you the minute you got out of that fucking train. Out of this fucking world, out of control. So we're getting fucking offered everything. Yo, man, I got this, I got brass knuckles, I got... Fucking guy comes, yo, what y'all need, shorties? What y'all need? Come on, shorty, get over here, boy. What you need, boy? Chris says, I want a gun. Guy's like, yeah, man, I got you, man. You need a gun? You want a good one? You want a clean gun? I'm gonna get you a nice clean gun. How much you got, boy? How much you got? $50. All right, follow me, boy. Let's go. So we walk with him. He's like, stay here. I'm gonna be right out. With a nice gun for y'all. Chill. I'm going, what the fuck am I doing in fucking Times Square at 13 years old buying a gun with this fucking lunatic? So guy comes back at like, yo, come with me. Let's do it. Let's go. Give me the money. Fuck you, I want to see the gun. I got the gun, man. Give me the fucking money, man. What's up? I'm like, motherfucker, man. You get the antennas going on my fucking head. I'm like, yo, this ain't good, man. So the guy takes us down the fucking alley and he pulls the fucking gun out, okay, and robs Chris out of the $50, right? Snatches his fucking gold chains off. This fucking maniac snatches him back out of his... I couldn't even believe it. I'm like, how the fuck did he do that? Snatches the chains back, throws them in his fucking pocket, and we fucking jet. We are gone. The guy's like, yo, motherfucker, what's up, man? What you don't want your gun, boy? And we're fucking running. We don't know where the fuck we are. We're down like side streets in fucking Times Square. I'm like, motherfucker. Every piece of shit, pimp, lowlife, scumbag was there. As we're these two, like, there should have been fucking, like, music from, like, Beretta in the fucking background. Waka, waka, wow, as we're fucking running. It was ridiculous, right? Running, and we're young, so we got energy. We're like, fuck. We're looking back. Nobody's chasing us at this point. The guy's gone. He's got the fucking money. He's stashed his gun in his fucking pants, and he's going. He's gonna fucking go 3-4 blocks over. It's like another world down there. We're not running to the cops. We're running for our fucking lives. We are going. I'm like, where the fuck? And then Chris knew where the fuck he was. How he knew where the fuck he was going, I have no idea. He's like, yo, follow me, brother, follow me, let's go. And he's bigger than me, but I'm fucking right on his ass. Like a fucking rocket. We find the fucking subway. Boom! Get down. Get up. Run. Now we're running through the fucking subway system. Still, like, scared to death. Like Freddy Krueger's fucking chasing us. Or Jason from Friday the 13th. Or fucking Michael Myers. We are fucking gone. And we're going through the subway. We're running. We don't know where the fuck to find the right train. We're this way, that way. Boom! The turnstiles. Wow! Right over the fucking turnstiles. Like they weren't even there. Fucking woo, woo, woo. Running. Finally, fucking, there's a train right there. Fucking doors open. Boom! They fucking close. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, we almost fucking died. What the fuck, Chris? You're fucking crazy. He's like, yeah, that was sick, bro. That was crazy. I'm like, are you out of your fucking mind? And yo, we laughed our fucking asses off. Took the fucking train back to Flushing, Queens, and it was the fucking adventure of a lifetime. Like, it was fucking insane. But let me tell you something. Like, I put myself back there. It was a rush like you could never feel in your life. That was the first time out of a few that I've had a gun fucking pulled on me. And it was fucked up. But then again, it was a cool fucking story. Now, this lunatic bastard, he's like, oh, you gotta... Yeah, at the time, I had a girlfriend who's my wife. Long story, fucking... I love my wife to death. But he's like, yo, you want to get a nice ring for your girl? I'm like, what are you talking about? He goes, me and Todd, we're gonna go rob houses. Now I knew my limits. I wasn't a scumbag. I'm like, I'm not fucking robbing houses. He's like, come on. He was a bad influence to the 10th hour. Like, when we got older, like 16, 17, he would fucking come to my neighborhood in a stolen car and a big knife. Like, yo, I just carjacked. It was like one of the original carjackers. I just carjacked this car, man. What the fuck? Hide me. Stash the car. I'd hide him in my house. Like, yo, Chris, man, you can't be doing this. P.S. He ended up going to prison for a long ass fucking time. But he's still a cool dude. When he gets out of jail, sometimes he visits me. I haven't seen him in about 12, 13 years, but you know, he would come out and we were bullshitting. I'd be like, yo, get your life together, man. He'd go, yeah, I'm good, I will. But right back in fucking prison. But anyway, they go out, and I said, I ain't doing it. Fuck that. They go out and they fucking rob like 5 houses in one day. They're in a fucking 7th grade. Do you understand this? 7th grade. And it's like fucking noontime, and they're carrying a fucking TV. Now, back then, they weren't no flat screen TVs. They're carrying a big, huge TV. Cops pull up. Whoop, whoop. What the fuck are you two geniuses doing? They're like, yeah, we're carrying my TV to his house so we could watch it in his house. Because why aren't you watching it? Why are you carrying a TV to his house? Why aren't you going to... What the fuck are you guys talking about? They're like, because his mother doesn't want us watching TV. Get the fuck out of here, they said. Fuck you, put that TV the fuck down. At that time, there were, phone calls, house robbery all over the fucking neighborhood. They fucking locked them up. They got in a bunch of trouble. The kid Todd, it was funny. He fucking sits on his handcuffs. They were dying when they told me the story. And his handcuffs and his hands, because he was little, his handcuffs and his hands are behind his fucking knees. And he's hopping around. And all the cops in the precinct like, look at this fucking asshole. Hop along fucking Cassidy over here with his fucking handcuffs behind his legs. Come here, you fucking dope. And they fucking rip the fucking handcuffs out. And he's ah! But these are some of the crazy motherfuckers I hung out with when I was younger. But just a little story time of being young and being stupid and the crazy shit that you get involved in just because you're young and stupid, growing up in fucking Queens, doing some dumbass shit. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this story. And let me tell you something, Stuntman was way too young. When I was in 7th grade, he was in 5th grade. But that's another story. When Stuntman was in 6th grade, we used to have one of the older guys that would come to the school. But the older guys, the guy was fucking... He was 11 in 6th grade. This guy was 14. He'd go there with a pass. I'm checking him out. Take him out. He's got to go to the doctor. With a fucking bullshit note, with a long hair and a denim jacket, with fucking, Black Sabbath painted on the back of it. And him and the kid would hang out all day, cut out of school and smoke pot in the fucking park. Insane. The way we fucking grew up was not normal. It's a wonder that we're as normal as we are. The shit that you see us doing on the fucking, with the cars and bugging out and all that, we're just fucking having fun. But it's amazing that we actually got through it, because there's a lot of guys that didn't. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. A little shit we used to do when we were younger around the hood.